We're aiming for pink. If it's overcooked, it's the new pan. I blame the new pan. Hey. Hey. Oh. Ooh. That's pink. I think we did all right. That's beautiful. This piece is beautiful. Ooh. That's nice pink. Mmm. Oh, ribeye. Ribeye. Oh yeah. I'll take it. Mmm. I'm eating this piece. Oh, that's the color I like. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna eat this steak. We'll clean the pan and we'll be back. I think she heated pretty well for being a stainless steel pan. There is a small skillet on eBay right now that is a Legion Utensils, and it's quite rusted on the underside. So this stainless is probably, you know, as low as you can go. My brain is blank. My brain is blank. My brain went blank. My brain is blank. Not completely blank. It's blank. Really, my brain is blank. What was I going to say? Oh. So the bottom says MD USN. Medical Department US Navy. Googling that, some sites say it's possibly World War II. Is it? Is it from the 50s? Could it be from the 60s? Even if it's from the 50s, let's just say 53. What is that? 70 years old? It does have a little warp going up, but it's minor. It's not that bad. Not a great pan for eggs. They probably will slide, but burgers or steak? I think I got this 33 shipped. It was 22 plus shipping. How could I turn down that offer? Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. Yeah. You know what I'm going to say? I got nothing else to say. What am I going to say? Wait. You know what I'm going to say? I got nothing else to say. Thanks for watching. Is there something else I wanted to say? She's pretty. She's pretty, isn't she pretty? Oh, see? I do have something else to say. Let's weigh it. I forgot. All right, let's weigh it. It's heavy. This is heavy. All right, ready? Go. 3 pounds, 1.4 ounces. I'll take it.